Technolab. You can see a cube like structure on my screen, and actually this structure comes in the category of one of the most complicated geometry. So, in this lecture we will see that how to make this complex geometry. So, in this tutorial we are going to learn two important topics. First is how to make 3D sketch, and second is how to use swept boss base command. So, let us start with the tutorial. So, first we have to choose the plane on which we want to draw the sketch. So, I am here choosing the front plane, and I will go to sketch option. After that I will choose 3D sketch. Okay. So, 3D sketch, and then I will pick a line and draw a line of some dimension. First we draw a rough structure, then after that we will put the dimension for it. So, like this, this is around 36. So, let make it 40, and this is around 41. So, let us make it 60. Okay, all dimensions are in mm, and next this is 48. So, let us make it to 60. Okay, now we will continue it by drawing a line of about 40, and then we will press the tab to align our line in one of the direction of one of the axis. So, again we will move to up to 60 mm. Actually we are making the cube which is of dimension about 100 by 100 by 100 mm. So, let us make it to again 60. Okay, and then again 60, and then about 40, and again press tab, and then 60, again press tab, and then 60, again press tab, and around 40, and again press tab, make it again 60, okay, again press tab, and make it to 40. I am sorry, 60, like this, and again then we will move to 40, and then again 60, again 60, and then 40, and then 60, and last we will join it to the initial position. So, now we will insert the dimension for all the line segments. So, let us start. We will go to smart dimensions. So, first one is of 40. So, let us make it to 40. Okay, and then this is the 60. So, it is already 60, and then again we will have to make it 60 mm. So, making it to 60 mm. Okay, and then next it should be of 40 mm. So, actually we are drawing the line segments, continuous line segments. So we have started with the 40 mm. The first line segment was of 40 mm, then 60, then 60, again 40, then 60, 60, फिर 40, इस तरह से चलना है. Okay, so this is 40, next is 60. Again this line should be of 60 mm, so let's make it to 60, and then 40, 40, and again 60, 60, and then 60, and then 40, and this should be of 60, and again this should be 60. Okay, and this should be of 40 mm. mm, 60 mm, and this should be 40, and the last, this should be of 60. Okay, so last one has already been converted to 60 mm. Let's see, yeah, it's 60. Okay, so the sketch has been drawn, so we can use this 3D sketch feature of this SolidWorks to draw the sketch in 3-dimensional space like this. So the first topic has been covered, that how to draw the 3D sketch. Now we will sweep some geometry along this path. So before sweeping, let's insert some plates which we have seen in the previous cube like structures. So we have to insert flat at this corner and this corner and this corner. So these three corners will have flat of 10 mm radius. So let's put the flat. So choose this and this. Already the radius has been set to 10 mm. So again choose this one, and this one. So confirm. So all these three corners has been incorporated with plates of radius 10. So now let's move to the sweep feature. So we will sweep a cube of 10 mm cross 10 mm across along this path. So let's make the cube. Before making the cube, we have to insert a plane at one end of the of this 3D sketch. So we will go to reference geometry, and we will choose, before going to that reference geometry, we have to exit this sketch. So let's exit the sketch, and then choose the plane, and plane we will select this point as first reference and the line as the second reference, and the plane has been fully defined. So let's click OK. Now we have the reference plane, and we will choose this plane to draw the profile of the sweep. So let's make a square of 10 mm cross 10 mm. So like this. So it's now it is 6 mm. We will make it to 10 mm, and this side should also be of 10 mm. Okay, so cube has been constructed, and now we will move to sweep feature after exiting this sketch. So let's move to features, and then we will choose swept both ways. Okay, so now it is asking for a sketch profile and circular profile. So we have already drawn a sketch as a profile. So, we will select this square, and now next option is for choosing the guide curve or path. So, we will choose this as the guide curve or path. Okay. So, you can see that the desired cube like structure has been generated, and we will click OK, and we will hide this plane. Okay. You can see it in isometric view like this. Okay. You can also render it with some colors and define the material of this cube. So, I am going to this option and select the material as a metal and chrome plated metal. So, chromium plated metal like this. Okay, choose the color. If you want any other color, you can choose from here. I am just making it white. Okay. So, okay. So, you can see that the desired geometry has been created, and we have covered two important concepts or features of the SolidWorks, that is swept boss base, and second is how to draw the 3D sketch. Let us make some other designs in another lecture. So, for today, thank you.